Welcome back to Draphics. In the last video, we explored the darken group of blend modes. Today, we'll move to the lighten group. These modes do the opposite. Instead of keeping darker values, they lighten the image in different ways. Let's go through them one by one. The lighten mode compares each pixel of the blend and base layers and keeps whichever is lighter. Looking at the example, the black rectangle disappears because it's darker than everything behind it. White stays fully visible and colors show through only where they're lighter than the background. Lighten is useful for removing dark areas from textures or overlays. Screen inverts both layers, multiplies them, then inverts again. The effect is always equal to or lighter than the original. Black has no effect. White turns everything white and mid-tones brighten proportionally. In the example, the colors mix softly with the background, creating a photographic brightening effect. Screen is widely used for adding highlights, glows, or lens flares. Color dodge divides the base by the inverse of the blend. This lightens by reducing contrast between base and blend, creating intense highlights. Black does nothing, but lighter colors cause dramatic brightness shifts. In the example, the circle glows strongly, with highlights becoming more saturated. It's useful for strong lighting effects. Add, also called linear dodge, simply adds pixel values together. It brightens quickly, often clipping highlights to pure white. Black has no effect, while white fully blows out the image. In the example, the blue circle turns parts of the background into bright cyan and white. Add is best for creating energetic, glowing effects. Lighter color compares overall brightness between base and blend and keeps whichever is lighter. Unlike lighten, it doesn't check each RGB channel separately. It looks at composite brightness. In the example, some colored rectangles disappear differently compared to lighten. It's useful when you want a simpler brightness comparison. Let's compare the lighten group modes against each other. Lighten versus screen. Lighten is a hard comparison. It simply checks each channel and keeps whichever is lighter. That means transitions can look abrupt. Screen, on the other hand, blends the two layers mathematically, producing smoother and more photographic brightening. Screen versus color dodge. Both brighten the image, but screen does it gently. It's predictable and good for soft effects like glows or hazy overlays. Color dodge is more extreme. It pushes highlights very bright and saturates colors, which can create a glowing, almost burned-in effect. It's great for strong light sources, but can easily blow out detail. Add versus screen and color dodge. Add is the most aggressive of the group. Instead of calculating contrast, it just sums the values. The result is fast brightening but often clips to pure white. Compared to screen and color dodge, add looks harsher and less natural but is perfect for energetic digital-style glows or neon effects. Lighten versus lighter color. Both modes choose lighter values, but they do it differently. Lighten compares each RGB channel separately, so a pixel might win in red but lose in blue, leading to mixed results. Lighter color compares overall brightness, keeping the layer that looks brighter to the eye. The result is simpler and sometimes cleaner but less precise for complex color blends. That wraps up the Lighten group of blend modes. In the next video on Draphics, we'll continue with the contrast group, where modes combine darkening and lightening to boost midtones and create punchier images.